Welcome back to Old Coin Adventures. Before you scroll away, take a moment and think about the old dimes sitting in your collection, because one tiny detail in a coin's date can completely change the story behind it. Today, we're uncovering the mysterious 1942 1 Mercury dime. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary old silver dime. But look closely at the date, and you may notice something that shouldn't be there. A second year, hidden beneath another. In today's documentary, I'll show you exactly how to identify a genuine 1942 1 Mercury dime, how to tell it apart from an ordinary 1942 dime, and how experts detect altered or counterfeit examples. But stay with me, because before this video ends, we'll reveal how much a genuine 1942 1 Mercury dime can be worth, how much a top PCGS certified example has actually sold for at auction, where you can have your own coin professionally authenticated, and if you've really found one, where you can safely sell it to serious collectors. So, if you have an old Mercury dime sitting in a collection, don't put it away just yet, because the mystery we're about to uncover is hiding right inside the date. To understand why this tiny date error became so important, we need to look at the coin itself first. The Mercury dime was designed by American sculptor Adolf Weinman. It was introduced in 1916, and the 1942 1 variety was struck at a time when the United States was already deep into World War II. The coin weighs 2.50 grams, measures about 17.9 millimeters in diameter, and its composition is 90% silver and 10% copper. On the obverse, you can see Weinman's famous winged Liberty head design. And on the reverse, there's a fasces surrounded by olive branches, a powerful symbol of strength and peace. Everything about the design looks normal, until you reach one very small detail. The date, 1942. But on the rare overdate, the one from 1941 can be seen underneath the 2 of 1942. And that's what makes this coin so fascinating. This wasn't damage caused by someone spending the coin. It wasn't a scratch. And it wasn't simply worn lettering. The mistake happened during the preparation of the die itself. A previously dated die was modified for the new year, and instead of completely removing the old date, part of the 1 remained visible beneath the new 2. When the die struck the coins, that hidden number became part of the design, and suddenly, a few ordinary-looking dimes carried evidence of 2 different years on the same coin. But here's where things become difficult, because seeing something unusual inside the date doesn't automatically mean you've found a genuine 1942 1. Over the years, collectors have encountered altered coins, damage, and other forms of doubling that can look convincing at first glance. So the real question isn't simply, can you see a 1? The real question is, does that 1 have the exact characteristics of a genuine overdate? And that's where professional identification becomes extremely important, because one tiny difference can separate an ordinary dime from a coin collectors may be willing to pay serious money for. Now, the question everyone has been waiting for, how much can a genuine 1942 1 Mercury dime actually be worth? The answer depends heavily on its condition, its grade, and whether it receives a special designation such as full bands. But some examples have reached extraordinary prices. A top-quality PCGS certified 1942 1 Mercury dime has sold for around $90,000 at auction, and the PCGS auction record for a full bands example reaches $120,000. Think about that. A small silver dime that originally circulated as 10 cents can become a serious collector's prize when the right variety and the right condition come together. So if you believe you have one, don't clean it, don't polish it, and don't sell it to the first person who makes an offer. Have it professionally authenticated by PCGS or NGC, and once its authenticity and grade are confirmed, you can consider trusted auction houses such as Heritage Auctions, Great Collections, or Stack's Bowers, where serious collectors compete for rare American coins. The 1942 1 Mercury dime proves something incredible. Sometimes, you don't need to find a gold coin or $1 million treasure. You simply need to notice what everyone else overlooked. If you enjoyed today's documentary, please like this video, subscribe to Old Coin Adventures, and turn on notifications, because in our next documentary, we'll uncover another ordinary American coin with an extraordinary secret hidden in plain sight. Until then, keep checking your coins, because you never know what history might be hiding in your collection.